Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Hajira and today I am going to talk about the heart. The heart consists four surfaces. The anterior surface, which is named as the sternocostal surface, formed mainly by the right ventricle. The diaphragmatic or inferior surface formed mainly by the left ventricle and partly by the right ventricle. It is related mainly to the central tendon of the diaphragm. The third is the right pulmonary surface, formed mainly by the right atrium. The fourth is the left pulmonary surface, formed mainly by the left ventricle. It forms the cardiac impression in the lung. The heart consists of the four borders. The first is the right border, slightly convex, formed by the right atrium and extending between the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The second is the inferior border, nearly horizontal, formed mainly by the right ventricle and slightly by the left ventricle. The third is the left border, oblique, nearly vertical, formed mainly by the left ventricle and slightly by the left auricle. The fourth is the superior border, formed mainly by the right and left atria and auricles in the anterior view. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.